It's crazy how much difference a medium-sized spotlight can make. I didn't expect much at first, but after trying it, it honestly surprised me. Grateful to the brand for sending this product so I could experience it firsthand. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka. The unboxing was super simple, just the spotlight and the USB-C cable. Nothing extra, nothing confusing. I love when something is ready to use right away. The first thing I noticed was the weight. It's lighter than it looks, easy to carry around the house, easy to place wherever you need it. The ABS body feels solid, not flimsy, and the stand became my favorite part. I set it down, point the light, and keep my hands free. So much easier than holding a flashlight. The brightness really stands out. 500 lumens can do a lot. The light spreads wide, not just a tight beam. It helped during a quick power outage, and I charge it with the same USB-C cable as my phone. No searching for special cords. It's one of those tools you don't realize you need until you use it. I appreciate you being here with me. If you want to stick around for more, go ahead and subscribe and maybe leave a like or share if you feel like it. And if you want to check out the product, the link will be down in the description. See you in the next one.